Go ahead and open up the glove box, remove any contents from the glove box. Now on the side of the box, on each side, there's going to be some little tabs that hold the glove box from dropping out. You want to press in on both sides. And then on the outer side here, there's a little rod that has a notch in it. So what we're going to do is we want to just grab that and we push downward, and that will release this little clip from the rod on the glove box. As the glove box tips down, that's going to expose 2 Phillips head screws. Let's go ahead and remove these screws. Once this screw is out, we'll go ahead and take the glove box, remove it, and set it aside. Then we want to go ahead and remove our under cover here. There's going to be 3 metal clips on the front section, and then there's 2 plastic posts in the back that will slide out. So we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool remover. Just going to pop in here and gently pry down. Pull this down and pull it out. Now, our undercover has like these little metal retainer clips, and they might pop off. You want to go ahead and just put that back onto the glove box or on the bottom trim, so when it pushes up, it locks into place. Just going to go ahead and remove our glove box backing here. We're going to use 8mm socket. Remove these 2 screws here. Now I want to grab this unit and we're going to pull this out. We're going to use a small punch right here, and we're going to pop out the center of these little buttons like so. There's one there and one up top here. I'm going to go ahead and pull our glove box down. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect our little connector right here. Work this over, disconnect our connector for our light right here. And we'll set this aside. Up underneath, we have a connector right here. There's a wiring harness right here, and on the very top, there's a little tab you want to press in on to release this harness. I'm going to use a small pick. I'm going to press on the top and disconnect our harness. Now this unit itself has 2 Phillips head screws. I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws. Once that second screw is out, it's going to allow us to go ahead and pull out our blower motor resistor. Let's work that out from the bottom. We'll go ahead and take our blower motor resistor, feed this back up and in. our second screw in. Then go ahead and take our connector, line that up, press it in, you'll feel that click into place. Now on our glove box liner here, it's gonna have metal clip tabs here around the perimeter. Now if yours aren't there, check on the dashboard itself. They might have popped off, but you want to go ahead and install those. Just going to hook up our light connector here. And our connector here. And let's go ahead and fit this back up and into place. Pop that up and in. Install our two 8mm bolts here. And go ahead and snug those down. I'll go ahead and install our plastic lock buttons here. There's one there, and there's one over here. Let's go ahead and put on our undercover. There's going to be two little pegs here and here that are going to insert into the back underside. Then this will pop up, and we have our three metal tabs right here that actually just lock in. Let's see if we can get that screw in just a few threads here. Come on over to the other side here. Go ahead and snug those down. Come back to the other side. Finish snugging this side down. We're going to lift up our glove box, and we want to go ahead and catch our little stop strap here. That'll line up and just pull up. You'll hear that snap into place. Now I want to go ahead and push our glove box side tabs inside. Reinstall our contents and close the box.